The scan and drop-off function can be used by field service agents to scan and drop off rental equipment and merchandise to customer sites. The scan pickup function can be used by field service agents to scan and pick up rental equipment from customer sites. To drop off rental equipment, on the mobile menu, select on the Ship menu item. You should see a list of all open shipments that are assigned to you. You can use an iPhone, iPad, or any Android device as your mobile scanning device. What you see on the left of the screen is just a mobile device simulator. Click on the Scan button next to the listed shipment for the customer. You will see items show up in blocks with three possible colors: pink if nothing's picked, yellow if it's partially picked, and green if it's fully picked. In each of the blocks you will see item number, item description, bin, original quantity, remaining quantity, and shipped quantity. Enter or scan an item that is lot tracked. Scan or select the lots. You can click on the lookup button to see all available lots for the item and select from the list. Enter the quantity and then click on Save. Enter or scan the rental equipment that is serial tracked. Scan or select the serial number. Again, you can click on the lookup button to see all available serial numbers for the item and select from the list. Then click Save. When all items have been picked, the shipment is ready to post. Click Actions, then Post. In GoldFinch, now you'll see that the shipment is posted and all ledger entries are created. To pick up a rental equipment, on the mobile menu, select the Pick menu item. You should see a list of all rental equipment items that are at customer sites. Scan the serial number or click on the Pickup button next to the listed equipment for the customer. Change the default return to warehouse if needed. Confirm and save. In the GoldFinch Rental tab, now you'll see that the equipment's already available and all item ledger entries have been created to show the transactions.